Tip 26. Choose friends wisely. Now in the finance video, why I am talking about friends. You are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that you are the average of those 5 people with whom you spend the most time. If those 5 people are millionaires, then you too will become a millionaire. Look, if your friends talk about finance and investing, then this is a very good thing for you because you will also start thinking like them by spending time with them. If your friends are not interested in finance, then tell them the importance of this topic. Or make new friends who are interested in this topic. Tip 27. Understand the power of giving. We all like taking from others but not giving. If you want to be financially independent, then give money, your advice, your time to other people. Universe works on the law of giving. The one who gives more gets more. So donate as much as you can to any charity fund. If someone wants your advice, then give your advice to him without ego. While doing this, you can think that what is the benefit of me? But in the long term, God will give you more than you have imagined. Tip 28. Things in terms of percentage. Imagine that you bought a stock for ₹5 and now you are thinking that it will be ₹10. Because you are thinking that it has to be increased only ₹5. But this is the increase of 100%. Never buy only by seeing the price, but see the percentage. This is very important. Imagine that a person paid minimum amount due to credit card company and because of this next month he gave ₹3,000 interest on ₹1 lakh. Now he is thinking that only ₹3,000 interest has been paid. But a percentage person will say, oh, this is 3% monthly interest which is 36% annually, which is really quite high. That's why start thinking in terms of percentage. Tip 29. Solve problem and get rich. It means the bigger problem you solve, the more you will become rich. If you're solving a very small problem, then you will get very less money. You can see it with the example of a rickshaw puller. They do hard work a lot, but the problem they are solving is very small. That's why they are unable to earn much money. Here you see a marketing head. Companies gives lakhs of rupees to their consultancy. Because companies also know that by using the consultancy correctly, they can earn crores of rupees. That's why look for solving bigger problems. That's the reason why big companies like Apple, Google pay their CEOs very much money. Tip 30. Use 80-20 principle in investing. 80-20 principle says that 80% of the results comes from 20% efforts. And this principle applies in every area of life. For example, 20% of YouTubers get 80% of viewership. 80% of crimes are performed by 20% of criminals. And this principle even applies in investing. If you're new to investing, then start learning that 20% fundamentals which are used 80% of that time. This will save you a lot of time and efforts, and it will help you to learn about basics of investing in a short period of time. Tip 31. Have patience in the market. One trait which is common in every successful investor is patience. They have a long-term point of view. Do not think of holding a share for one day or 1 week, but they think of holding it for 5 to 10 years. And because of this, they are able to increase their money massively. When you're investing, then don't think for 1 day or 1 week. That it is now for ₹100, when it will be ₹110, then I will sell it. Yes, by doing this you can generate a good return, but big returns are generated in long terms. Always remember this thing. Tip 32. Value your time the most. One thing which I would say to remember you from this video is, money is unlimited, but the time is limited. There are more money in the world than you have ever imagined. But all of us, even Elon Musk, has limited time. If you stand in a long queue to save ₹10 or to save some money you spend hours in market instead of buying from Amazon or Flipkart, then I can tell you that you are doing that thing which poor people do. Rich people value their time the most. Earlier I used to think rich people have money, that's why they hire a driver. But now I got to know they hire driver so that their time can be saved. Because in that time they can do an anonymous high value work by which they can earn 5 times the salary of the driver. Tip 33. Buy last year model of things which you really want. High ticket items such as cars, TV, electronics and mobile phones. This is the best way to save money while buying. Every year, innovating a new item is quite difficult. That's why companies upgrade the previous year items a little bit and price them at a high price. You can see it with iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 to reduce the inventory of the previous models. The company starts giving discounts on them and you get them at a low price. Buying previous year or 2 years old model is financially a good decision as you are getting similar technology like today at a comparatively low price. Tip 34. Always tell your family about your financial crunch. Most of the people do not discuss their finances with their family, which is quite bad. You have to share this with your family. Tell them how many loans you have taken. Tell them about your future plans and also tell them the financial crunch of your life. See, family is your support system. If you would tell them about your financial problems, then through their wisdom, knowledge and experience, you can get some new ideas. Your parents can tell you something about finance that you have never imagined before. Tip 35. Never increase your expenses with your income. Most of the people increases their expenses with their income. Most of the people are already think about what they have to buy as their income increases. But you don't have to do that. Whatever your income increases, put 50% of it in your expenses and save or invest the rest 50%. If you build this habit, then you will get a lot of benefit. Because when your monthly income will increase by rupees 40,000 or 50,000, then you will invest 20,000 or 25,000, which is very good. Tip 36. Program your subconscious mind for success. See, working 8 or 10 hours a day is okay, but giving half or 1 hour to subconscious mind is also important. That's why after getting up or before sleeping, do meditation. And before sleeping, repeat this in your mind that you are rich. Even if you don't have enough money, just say these words because this will give instruction to your subconscious mind. Tip 37. Never invest without knowledge. One mistake which many people perform is investing without knowledge. People invest by coming in FOMO and do not take proper knowledge of investing. You do not have to listen to your any friends. No matter how much your friend says that he has doubled his money, but you do not have to invest in that thing without knowledge. Tip 38. Borrowing to friends. You must have seen in movies and airports that first wear your own oxygen mask and then help anyone else. And this face perfectly fits here. If you do not have money, then do not give it to your friends. It doesn't mean that you do not help friends, but help when you yourself have extra money. There is no logic that you have taken loans and you are distributing money to others. That's why give money to friends when you yourself have it. Tip 39. If you have money in your account, then pay off the loans. See, if you have any loan on yourself like personal loan, car loan, then its rate of interest will be 12 to 14%. But if you put money in savings account, then you will get 4 to 5% interest on it. I'm saying that if you have loan of say rupees 1 lakh and your savings account has 1 lakh, then pay off that loan by saving account money. This is the habit of most of us. We have money, but we do not pay the loan and keep giving its EMI, but you do not have to do this. Let's see what if you have paid off your loans and have extra money, and then how to earn more return than savings account. Tip 40. Invest in liquid mutual funds. This scenario applies when you have paid all your loans but you still have extra money. In this condition, you should not keep your money in savings account but keep in liquid mutual funds. In liquid mutual fund, you can take out your money whenever you want and there is no fixed tenure. I'm asking you to put money in it because your money will not grow much in savings account. And here you will get more returns than savings account, and here risk is quite low. We will cover the remaining tips in the next video. Please like and share our video. Comment which is your favorite tip. Subscribe our channel to get this kind of videos regularly. And finally, thanks for watching.